Welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to make a scrunchie holder. You are going to need dowels, paint, a platform, wood screws, and a drill. If you would like your dowels shorter, you would need to cut it in half. Next, using the paint color of your choice, paint the wooden platform. Don't forget to paint your wooden dowels. Once the paint has dried, spread Mod Podge on the base and then sprinkle with glitter. Next, pre-drill the holes for the wood screws. Make sure to follow this step to prevent cracks on the wood. Next, we're going to use the drill to help insert the screws into the platform. Twist the dowel onto the tip of the screw. Next, grab the drill to help insert it even further. Using the screws will help secure the dowel a lot better than using wood glue, and it cuts back on drying time. I bought this door handle at Menards, but the base was silver, so I'm going to spray paint it metallic gold so that it matches the gold glitter. Next, using my hot glue gun, I'm going to glue the top of the dowel and place my handle right on top, holding down on it firmly. And there you have it, your very own scrunchie holder.